Most people think making money with AI starts with ChatGPT. It doesn't. It starts with solving one problem. Today I am going to build an AI from scratch. I am not using a team. I am not hiring a designer. I am start with a blank screen. By the end of this video, you will see every step I take. If you are building your first AI business, watch until the end. Before I creating anything, I need to know who this product is for. They say my product is for everyone. Don't do that. If you try to help everyone, your message become heavy. Type this prompt into ChatGPT. Look this prompt. I want to create an AI from fake. My target customer is someone completely new to AI. Less than 10 biggest problem they face every day. Press enter. Now ChatGPT is analyzing my target customers and looking for the problems beginner face before they know how to use AI. Now ChatGPT is giving me the 10 problems. Look these problems. They don't know what to ask AI. Look this second problem. They don't know how to write a good prompt. They waste times writing emails. They struggle to create content. They don't know how to use AI for works. They repeat the same task every day. The 7 problems, they get generic AI answers. They don't know trust AI's answers. They feel overwhelmed by AI tools. The 10 problems, they don't know how to turn AI into personal assistants. This is the biggest problems. These are a good idea, but I'm not going to solve all 10 problems. I'm going to solve one problem really well. Look, this is my simple page, is my business plan. AI business from zero. The customers, AI beginners, the problems, the customers' problems. They don't know which prompt to use. They don't know what to ask AI. The solution, AI beginners primarily AI from fake. Offers free downloads, AI from fake. You do not need a complicated documents. You need only clear customers, one clear problem, and one clear solution. Now I know exactly what I am building. Now comes to the important part. Come back into ChatGPT. And now you are not longer asking for problems. You are asking ChatGPT to help build the product. Copy this your single master prompts. Copy this all prompts in Google Docs and paste into ChatGPT. Look this prompt. What I give to ChatGPT. Act as an expert, AI business coach, beginners, AI educator, and professional digital product designer. Create a free AI from fake for completely beginners who have never built online business before. Create 20 practical copy and paste ChatGPT prompts. Business idea, content creation, marketing, email marketing, digital products. For the each prompts include title, each exact ChatGPT prompt, what they prompt help to users. Now press enter. ChatGPT analyzing and create a fully designed PDFs. You do not need to design wasting hours into Canva. Now ChatGPT they create a fully designed page by page. Done. I create the completely beginners friendly AI from fake is a professional formatted PDF with 20 copy and paste prompts across all few sections. Now look at these PDFs. Oh, this is amazing. You do not need to design this PDF into Canva. AI from fake, 20 copy and paste ChatGPT prompts, business idea, contents. I am not making a huge ebook. I am building something someone can use today. Now I am moving everything into Canva. Now open Canva and the search bar ebooks. I click create link. Now when I click this upload buttons, upload files, PDFs. When I click this PDFs, apply all pages. Now I am going to make it easier to read, download the PDF and upload into Canva. I am not changing idea. I am making it cleaner. I'm editing heading to scene. I am adding space between the section. If someone download this guide, I want them to understand it in a few seconds. Good design doesn't mean a lot of colors. Good design mean people find information quickly. This started is one idea. Now it's a real digital product. It's a simple, it is useful, and it's enough for your first digital product. If this videos help you, subscribe. I'm building this business step by step. I'm showing the wins, mistakes, and everything in between. Next I will build the landing page for the free from fake. Then I will show how to I collect email, grow in audience, and get my first sales. If you want to follow this journey, subscribe. See you the next video.